Alright, welcome back guys. Hope that you have enjoyed class so far. What I'm going to have you guys look at next before we move on to Angel Island is a ship passenger manifest. This is what they would have used at Ellis Island when you were coming through there, and they would have asked you questions on here. Reason why I picked out this one is because I found it during my own family research. This family over here, which are actually U.S. citizens already, are members of my family. These are the same people that originally immigrated to the country from where they were, but this is also, they just happened to go back to Europe and come back. I'm not sure exactly why. I don't really know the family history that well, but they were able to come back through, and this is when I found that they came through Ellis Island, again at least. So other people on the list, though, were coming over as immigrants. Okay, so up here on my family says it says U.S. citizens on the lines. That's because they're already citizens. That's why they don't have as many questions that they have to answer. Other people are coming over for the first time, and they'll have their family names here, so that's their last names, and they'll have their actual names, their ages, and whether they're male or female. If there's a dash, it's just kind of saying whatever it is above that. All right, so right here it says M for male. There's a bunch of males in a row. All right, and then they're going to be asked other questions and what their address or where they're going to is, things like that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that because I thought it was interesting and give you a little bit more of what it looked like after hearing that they had asked a couple of questions. All right, down here we have the next video we're going to watch. This is Angel Island. This is the West Coast equivalent to Ellis Island. It's located in the San Francisco Bay in California. I want you guys to watch this video. It's a little bit longer. It's an actual tour of the island. It is now in a museum just like Ellis Island is, and I would like you to watch and compare the two. It's going to talk a lot about the living conditions, and you'll see some of the differences and the different ways Asian immigrants were treated than European immigrants were at Ellis Island. Also, it's going to talk about the poetry, which is pretty interesting. You'll see that written on the barracks walls, and it's just interesting in overall, so hopefully you'll enjoy it. And at the end, I'd like you guys to discuss both Angel Island and Ellis Island and how they were different. After you're done with that video, you can look at this map. This map is just going to show you the different areas and the amounts of people that came over during any time that we're going to be studying. So we have a good amount of immigrants coming from Japan and China, and also we have immigrants coming from Italy, Austria-Hungary, and all the other European countries. And you'll see these numbers are a lot larger. All right, there's going to be many millions of people coming over from Europe. Not as many coming over from Asia. So I'd like you guys to discuss that when you are done discussing the differences between Ellis and Angel Island.